TTF Rack E-Series installation. Use a joint to combine to angle post. Remember to install stopper on the bottom of post. Step 2. Install short beam in each side of angle post. Make sure the spacing level for your racking is same. Repeat step 1 and 2 for the another side angle post. Step 3. Combine the side of angle post with long beam. Lastly, place the HDF board on your easy rack. The rack can be installed as 2-in-1. Follow back the step 1 to step 3 on how to install the rack. You may pick your ideal leveling. Combine all the long beam together. Ta-da! You are done!